What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is my Valentine's Day look of this year. I know Valentine's Day is coming so quickly. I don't know what's happened. So this is like a all pink, everything is pink. My jumper is grey, but it's got pink on it as well. I just went all pink on my face this year for some reason. I drew some little hearts on my cheeks as well. Optional, obviously. But it's very monochromatic pink sort of look. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off this look with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance as my primer. And I'm priming from my lid all the way up to my brow and along my lower lash line. And this will just help the eyeshadow stay in place and the colours to come out a little bit more intense. Next I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in 362, which is a matte hot pink. And I'm taking that on a big fluffy brush, which is the Inglot 6SS brush. And I'm just blending that into the crease and making sure it's a real nice soft blend. I'm also taking that on a teeny tiny little brush and applying that to the outer half of the lower lash line. Then I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in 124 Or, which is one of their rainbow shades. And I'm taking the middle shade out of that little trio. And I'm applying that with a MAC 217 brush. And I'm applying that in the deeper part of the crease, so where my eye socket sinks in a little bit more. I'm blending it out to the... I'm using now the 6SS again to blend out the edges with that hot pink. I'm also taking some of that along my lower lash line, connecting it to the outer corner of the top as well. Next I'm taking the darker shade out of that trio and using the Real Techniques shading brush, which is a small stubby little brush, and I'm applying that to the outer V and slightly into the crease just to deepen that crease area a little bit more. And then I'm taking my 217 again with just whatever's left on the brush and blending that out. And then on that same teeny tiny little brush, I'm applying that to the lower lash line. Next I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in 48, which is a really nice soft pink shade. And it has a nice shimmer. And I'm just taking that on a flat brush and applying that to the rest of the lid. And a little bit on the inner half of the lower lash line. I'm just concealing underneath my eyes to hide my dark circles and clean up any fallout. Next I'm taking MAC's eyeshadow in Mylar and I'm using that on a slightly bigger flat brush and just highlighting my brow bone with that and using that also to soften out any harsh edges of the pink. Next I'm taking Inglot's eyeshadow in 29, which is a white pink duochrome. So when it hits the light it goes pink. I'm taking that on a small little flat brush and applying that to my tear duct area just to highlight a little bit more. For liner I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown gel liner in black ink. It's like a new one that I got and I actually really like it. And I'm taking that on a MAC 210. You probably heard my phone go off there. I'm taking a MAC 210 to line my upper lash line. Nothing too thick, but something that you can still see. For my mascara, I'm going to use the MAC Extended Play mascara on my top and bottom lashes. I don't really mind about my top lashes being overly thick because I'm going to be applying false lashes anyway, but I always use this on my bottom lashes.
I decided after the eyeshadow was done to do a little trick that I like doing recently, and that's just taking the 217 and a little bit more of the medium pink, and I'm just blending that further down almost onto my cheekbone on the outer corner of my eye. For my blush, I'm using a number 7 blush brush. There's no name on it, just a blush brush. And I'm using e.l.f.'s mineral blush in the shade pink, so it has a nice bit of shimmer. So I decided to skip contour for this because I felt like it would make the look a bit too harsh, but I actually wanted it to look quite soft. And for highlighter, I'm going to use the Catrice High Glow Mineral Highlighting Powder in Light Infusion on the Real Techniques fan brush, and I'm just using that to highlight my cheeks a bit more. Onto the lips, I'm going to use MAC's lip pencil in Hip and Happy, and this is just a baby pink, like cotton candy sort of pink shade, and I'm just lining my lips with that, slightly filling them in with it. For my lipstick, I'm going to use MAC's Cream Sheen lipstick in Cream Cup, which again is like a baby pink, like a pinky nude, but like baby pink. And it goes really, really nice with this makeup. And to top that off, I'm going to use the Smashbox Lip Enhancing Gloss in Pout. Again, baby pink, and it looks really nice with this lip combo. I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner now. This is completely optional. I'm taking the shade Petal, which is the baby pink, and I'm drawing a little heart just below the eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eye. Just a really small one. And then just to help that show up a little bit more, I decided to take the red shade, which is Fire, in the Vivid Brights, and just do little dots around that in a heart shape as well. So it still looks quite pink, but you can see it frames it nicely. I then popped on some lashes. These are the Eylure Fleur de Force lashes in Fully Fleur. They give a nice winged out shape to the eye. And this is the struggle of eyelashes.
Alrighty guys, so that is your finished look. I hope you enjoyed the video and try out the look please, because that's why I'm doing these videos. I like to see people trying them out. Yeah, this is the look and I actually really like how it turned out, and I'm loving this, like bringing my eyeshadow out quite low down here. I really like it recently. I've been doing it actually quite a bit. I just decided to do it in this video as well, so hope you like that as well. And like I said, hearts are optional, but I think they just add a nice little twist to it. So if you did like it, give me a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, whichever side, and leave me a comment down below as well. Let me know what you think and if you've got any suggestions as well. And I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye!